Hi fellas. This is Chemadix again to the solution. Well, today we are going to study a question related to today we are going to study a question related to bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. Okay. So the things that we will learn here are the following: the difference between actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy, and the conditions for actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy as well. Okay, these are the two things that we will learn today. So let's start. First thing first, to solve this question, we need to know the difference between bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. Okay, the difference between the actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. Okay, so let's Pokemon Go. Let's Pokemon Go to the question. Okay, in which of the following does X represent the mean bond enthalpy for the OH bond in water? So here, this is the keyword of this question: mean bond enthalpy, OH bond in water. Okay, so let us review the definition of bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. So what do you mean by bond enthalpy? Let us first look at bond enthalpy. What is bond enthalpy? So bond enthalpy is the particular bond that the energy required to break one mole of bond. It is the particular bond that the energy, sorry for my bad handwriting. Okay, I hope that you have understood my bad handwriting as well as my language. I know both of them suck. It is the particular bond that the energy required to break one mole of the bonds in the substance so this should be substance in the gaseous state. Oh no, my handwriting looks like a cockroach. I know that you will say that in comment section. Disastrous. Terrific. Okay, so here it is the definition of bond enthalpy. It is the particular bond that the energy required to break one mole. It is the most important word, one mole of the bond in the substance in the gaseous state. That means the bond should be, or atoms should be, in the gaseous state. ঠিক আছে, sorry, okay. I'm now switching off my language. Sorry, really sorry. Alright, so here it is the definition. Bond enthalpy, it is the particular bond that the energy required to break one mole of the bond in the substance in the gaseous state. Okay, so let's look at mean bond enthalpy. Mean bond enthalpy. Oh no, my handwriting really sucks. Please don't take Prisma photos, okay? Don't edit in Prisma photo as if it looks awesome, okay? It's really bad for me and for you. Let's Pokemon go to the question. Let's Pokemon go to the question, okay? Not us. Just joking. They mean bond enthalpy. They are average of actual bond enthalpy. Maybe it should be N, okay? Enthalpy in different compounds of the substance in the gaseous state. Right, so let us see. At first, let us look at the difference between actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. The only difference between the actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy is, for actual bond enthalpy or bond enthalpy, 1 mole of bonds are broken, 1 mole of a particular bonds are broken for actual bond enthalpy. Then for mean bond enthalpy, these are the just average of actual bond enthalpy. That is, mean bond enthalpy is the average of actual bond enthalpy. That is, if there are suppose if there are 2 actual bond enthalpies, then the mean bond enthalpy is the division of these 2. So we get the average, as you know. I hope that you have understood. So let us look at the conditions for actual bond enthalpy and mean bond enthalpy. So the conditions are the same. The atoms in the bond, gaseous atoms, the atoms should be gaseous, okay, and the atoms that are produced should be gaseous. The same goes with mean bond enthalpy. Well, let's go back to the question. So following does X represent the mean bond enthalpy for the OH bond in water. Alright, so if we want to find the mean bond enthalpy of OH bond in water, that is, the bond should be completely broken into gaseous atoms. So let us find that first. So is it broken completely into gaseous atoms? No. So this shouldn't be the answer. Okay, I hope that you have understood. So let us move on to B. If we look at B, we have seen that here the water is completely broken into gaseous atoms. Oxygen is atom and 2H is gaseous atoms, not H2. H2 is molecules, hydrogen molecules, two H is gaseous atoms, that is one hydrogen atom and another separate hydrogen atom. This makes up the gaseous atoms. I hope that you have understood. Have you understood? Have you really understood? I hope so. If not, please comment your question in the comment section. Okay, I will be waiting for that. So let us move on to C. If we have seen here, it is not broken completely, same as A. Okay, so here in D, water has been completely broken into molecules. So I suppose A and D might be the answer. Okay, let us see. Let us choose the answer from A and D. Okay, our choice has been narrowed. Our parameter has been narrowed down to two options. Okay, so now our job is to find which is actual bond enthalpy and which is mean bond enthalpy. So here the question asks us to find the mean bond enthalpy. So the mean bond enthalpy is the average one. So sorry, the answer should be B or D, not A. A is wrong. Okay, completely wrong. A is wrong. At first we have to find that A is wrong. Okay, we are not considering A anymore. Okay, wrong. Sorry for that. So we will either choose B or D. I'm saying it again. Note this down for playing Pokemon Go. Okay, it might help you to find a Pokemon in your home. Okay, so B or D should be the answer. So which one should, now we will consider which one is B and which one is D. Okay, so now we know that either B or D should be the answer. So now we should find the difference, which is mean bond enthalpy and which is actual bond enthalpy. Okay, so mean bond enthalpy is this one. Can you tell me why? Well, I'm saying it is actual. So you wanna tell? Okay, yeah, I guess now you can tell that why this is mean bond enthalpy and why this is actual bond enthalpy. As you have seen, this is for 1 mole. This is for 1 mole, so this should be actual bond enthalpy. And as you have seen that this is for 2 moles, so this should be mean bond enthalpy. If we divide this by 2, we get a mean bond enthalpy, not actual. Actual is for 1 mole. Okay, are you still confused? If you are confused, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, fine. So I hope that now you have understood that which should be the answer. By this meantime, who can guess the answer? The answer is D. Well, this is the end of the tutorial. So if you have any question regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, well fellas, this is the end of today's tutorial. Is there any part of this video that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, ask question regarding this video tutorial. How was it? How do you feel about the video tutorial? And I know that you have a lot of questions to ask me. Please ask questions and let me know which problems you are facing, and please mention them in the comment section. Okay, and also here is the free courses only for you. You can click here to grab them. Full list of courses here. Just click here and please vote for this video tutorial. Let me know that whether it was favorable for you or not. Okay, thank you.